Hello everyone, learn Excel tips with Sandesh. So every day we are using serial numbers in the Excel sheet. So I am going to show you today 7 different ways you can enter the serial number. Yes, let's come to the demo part. First one, normal, we are using 1 and 2. We'll enter it and we select both and we just drag on the plus symbol. It will create the serial numbers in the Excel sheet. Second method, we are going to come enter 1. Then we put above equals above cell plus 1. Enter. So it will come above cell plus 1. So this we will drag it. This is the second way you can come with the serial number. Third method. So in this case, I wanted 10,000 total serial numbers to be entered. What I'll do, 1 and 2, then I'll keep on dragging till 10,000. Instead of this, I'll enter just 1, select the cell, then I'll put the shortcut key Alt H F I S. So it will come with this above screen. Select the columns and enter up to 10,000. I need the serial numbers. So stop value. So click on OK. So system will create up to 10,000 rows serial numbers. This is the third method. Then we will go with the fourth method. We are going to use row formula equals ROW bracket open bracket close minus ROW bracket open. We select the above cell. We will make it as F4 bracket close. Then enter. This is the one. It has come. Then we will just drag this. By this way, we will get the serial number for the method 4. Then we will come to the fifth method. Here we are going to use equals if condition bracket open. We select the above cell is equals to serial number. Here if it is correct, then put 1. Otherwise, you select the cell plus 1 bracket close. Then enter. So it has come with the serial number 1 because serial number above cell is serial number, it is matching. Then we will drag this. Other cases it is not matching what it is doing. Above cell plus 1 it is doing. This is the if condition for the method 5. Then method 6. We are going to use count A formula equals count A bracket open. We select this cell is to select bracket close. But before enter, what we'll do, the first will make you F4. Then enter. So it has come with the serial number 0. Then we will drag this, for example. Then if something we enter in a particular column, so automatically the serial number will change. It is going to do with incremental. Then method 7, there is a requirement that instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I needed a Roman number to be entered in the serial number column, right? In this case, I'm going to show equals ROMAN Roman symbol bracket open. We'll use the same row formula minus ROW bracket open. We select the above cell. We'll make it F4 bracket close and one more bracket close to close the Roman formula. Enter. We got the Roman symbol 1. Then we drag this. It is going to come with all the Roman numbers in the serial number. This way there are 7 different types you have seen. Just I'll show you the difference how it affects if different methods. So in this case I'm going to do 8 and 9 serial number. I'm going to delete in all the methods. Now you can see the first method after 7, 8 and 9 is missing. The second method what we have used plus 1 above cell is coming with the formula reference error. The third method, so 8 and 9 is missing. When you comes to the fourth method row method, so automatically it has changed the number and 8, 9 is available. So this way, this is the best method you can use it. Then if condition, once again formula error and count A also it is good and the Roman and with the row formula it is working fine without any disturbance in case of any row deletion. This way you can use in your day-to-day work serial numbers in 7 different ways. Please go through this and please share, comment and like my videos. Thank you for your support.